All right, let's jump right in. We're about to explore some facts about the year 2026 that are so wild they feel like they've been ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. Because, the future isn't coming anymore. It's already here.
So, what if I told you that we are on the verge of becoming a species that lives on more than one planet? And I don't just mean visiting, I mean packing our bags and moving in.
And what if AI has gone way beyond just being a helpful assistant and is now doing complex creative jobs that used to take entire teams of people to figure out?
And here's the one that'll really get you. What if that same technology has gotten so smart, it can predict your next move before you even know you're going to make it?
It all sounds a bit crazy, doesn't it? Like a blockbuster film. But here's the thing. This isn't a script. All of this is happening as we speak. These aren't just predictions. This is the reality of 2026. So let's start with the big picture. First up, we're going to look at these massive, world-altering shifts happening all around us, on our planet, in our society, and hey, even our place out there in the cosmos.
Okay, this one is genuinely alarming. We're way past just talking about warmer summers. You know those climate predictions for the year 2040? Well, they're happening now. We're seeing heat waves so extreme that whole cities are being redesigned just to cope. And it's not only the heat, it's the floods, the superstorms, the wildfires. They're becoming the new normal. Some experts are even saying we might have already passed some critical tipping points.
Now, let's talk about robots, because they aren't just in factories anymore. And there's this really interesting dual-sided thing happening. The promise? It's incredible. We have robotic systems in operating rooms that can perform surgery with a level of precision no human hand could ever match. But here's the peril, the other side of that coin. These machines are becoming more human-like, and for a lot of us, that's starting to feel a little uncomfortable.
And get this, we're not just talking about planting a flag on the moon anymore. With huge programs like NASA's Artemis mission going full steam ahead, we are seriously planning for long-term life off-planet. We're talking about figuring out the real challenges, like how to grow food and produce oxygen light years from home, and how to handle the immense mental stress of it all. The future of humanity might literally not be on Earth.
So what powers all this incredible change? Well, imagine a world where the energy crisis is just over. That's the finish line. There's a massive scientific race happening right now to get there. From huge fusion reactors that act like a star in a jar to solar panels that can make power even on a cloudy day. We are so close to cracking it, which makes this one of the highest stakes competitions of our lifetime.
All right, if you thought that was wild, this is where things get even stranger. Now we're going to talk about the tech that is actively blurring the line between your physical life and your digital one.
I mean, this slide says it all, doesn't it? At first, AI was just an assistant. Now it's a creator. In creative fields, it can write ads, it can design logos, it can code apps. And the result of that? A complete earthquake in the job market. A department that used to need 50 people can now be run by just 5 people and a powerful AI system. That's not a small shift. That's a total transformation. You've probably felt this one yourself. Physical cash is kind of fading away. And yeah, digital money is super convenient. But the really important stuff is on the other side of this table. Every single time you tap your phone or card to pay, it creates a data point. What you bought, where you were, what time it was, it all becomes part of this permanent digital record. And that completely changes our idea of money and, privacy.
Virtual reality has gotten so good, it's not really a game anymore, it's more like a parallel universe. You can work there, you can hang out with friends, you can basically live a whole other life. And the appeal is huge. But this poses a really tough question. What happens to society if people start to prefer their virtual life over their real one? What happens when reality is just one of the options?
This whole progression might seem really gradual, but it's actually one of the biggest changes happening. We went from a phone we held in our hand, to tech we wear on our wrist, to smart glasses we put on our face. And the final step in this evolution? Technology that's completely invisible. Information isn't on a screen you look at, it's a permanent layer on top of the world you see.
And now, we get to the really personal stuff. We're shifting from tech that changes the world around us to tech that has the power to change us, to literally redefine what it means to be a human being.
The technology to read our brain signals and turn them into words is developing at an incredible pace. The hope here is just beautiful. Imagine giving a voice back to someone who's lost theirs. But the fear is just as deep. If a machine can read our thoughts, can it also record them, track them, analyze them? I mean, where does our private internal world even begin and end? This is where it gets really intense. Gene editing tools like CRISPR are so precise now that editing our own DNA is no longer a what-if. The promise is a flat-out miracle. We could potentially end hereditary diseases forever. But this quote right here, it nails the ethical tightrope we're walking. The very same tool could be used to design humans, to pick and choose traits like intelligence or athletic ability. And it forces us to ask that huge question, just because we can, does that mean we should?
So we've covered AI taking over jobs, colonizing other planets, and even editing life itself. But everything we've talked about has been building to one final and maybe most unsettling fact of them all.
This is it. The most shocking thing about 2026 isn't any single piece of tech. It's what happens when all of them start working together to do one very specific thing.
With all the data we're constantly creating, and with AIs powerful enough to analyze it, our behavior is becoming predictable. Those recommendation engines, they're not just guessing what you'll like anymore. They are calculating your next move with scary accuracy. They know what you're going to buy, what video you're going to watch next, and in some cases, even how you'll emotionally react to something before you've even seen it.
And that leads us to the biggest philosophical question of our time. If an algorithm knows what you're going to do before you do it, are you really making a free choice? Or are you just following a script that's been written by data? It really makes you question the whole idea of free will.
So, the main thing to take away from all this is simple. 2026 isn't just another year on the calendar. It's a turning point. It's the moment where all those sci-fi ideas we grew up with stopped being the future. They are here, right now, and they are changing everything.
And so that's the real question all of this leaves us with. The technology is here, the changes are happening. The only thing left to figure out is, are we ready for it?